Welcome to the G.E.B. Johnson podcast, where she will help you successfully change careers at any stage of your life. She will help you take action in locating your passion, research your skills, and move to your ideal career to live on purpose and grab your dreams. So get ready for your host, Janola Johnson.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to podcast number 4 on 3 helpful tips on how to research your new career change. When making the decision to change careers, I did my research. I looked at the opportunities that were available in the marketplace, and I came up with these 3 tips that I use to help me get to where I am today. The first one is passion. The second one is I looked at my skill set. And the third one, I looked at my abilities. Let's talk about passion. This is how I did my research. At the end of the podcast, I will have a link to the Researching Your Next Move toolkit. And it shows you how I married my passion with my skill set. I wanted something to make me want to jump out of bed each and every day and be excited to go to work. The second thing is I looked at my skill set. I have a degree in communications. However, I ended up in teaching, which I really did enjoy this profession, and I still do. I still really enjoy teaching. But I kept wondering, how could I merge these 2 skills together? And I knew I had a transferable skill with the communication and with the teaching. I just didn't know exactly how I was supposed to bring them together and go into the next phase in my life. The third thing was I looked at my abilities. I knew I had the ability to communicate and I could teach effectively. So what I did was I looked at the Briggs Myer test, and I also looked at personality hacker. And ironically, they were both pretty accurate. And believe it or not, I'm an introvert. So according to the test, other than them letting me know that I'm an introvert, which I already knew I was an introvert, my career choices that would have made me jump out of bed each and every day would have been social work, which is something I never really even ever thought about doing. Teaching, which is where I ended up. I liked it, and I still do. And law, which I contemplated that for a few seconds. The one thing that really stuck out to me is when they went over the career choices was a librarian. And I thought, oh my God, if I could have been a librarian, that would have made my whole life complete. I love to read. I love books. I would have been in heaven. So my 3 tips that helped me do the research for my career change were passion, skill set, and my abilities. So there are many of you out there who want to do something like this and not sure where to start. And I'm going to offer you my May Mastermind Group. In this group, you will be with 5 other people or participants, and that means that there is only 6 people in the group, and it is for 4 weeks, and we will be exploring your true passion and new career in weekly 90-minute sessions. You will also get 2 30-minute private sessions with me. In addition to, I will provide for you 1 resume and 1 cover letter for any position that you decide to apply for after the mastermind is over. And you will get all of this for $149.99. So this is really a great price, because sometimes just to get 1 resume is $149.99, if not more. So you will get all of those things for me. So all you need to do is sign up on my website under the tab that says Mastermind, May Mastermind, or there will be a link in the show notes that is attached to this podcast. I hope this podcast was helpful for you, and I want you to continue to live your life on purpose and grab your dreams. Your host, Dr. Janola Johnson.